great benefit to living in Marina del Rey, California are the breakfast restaurants. Let's go take a look at some of the top breakfast restaurants there. We're going to start with the Cow's Inn Cafe. It's a few steps from the Venice Pier. You're going to find some of the best smoothies you've ever had here at the Cow's Inn. It's all organic, and be prepared to pay cash because they do not take credit cards. Next is the Butcher's Daughter. Now, if you're gluten-free or you're dairy-free, you want to eat here because this is a plant-based breakfast cuisine. Cafe Buna is our next on our list. Very quaint, small cafe, lots of different types of coffees, great pastries, just a great, quaint ambience. Across the street, you're going to find 26 Beach Cafe. It's an indoor restaurant, and they have an outside covered patio. Great ambience, but besides that, the breakfast items are great. Make sure to try the French toast. That French toast is big, it's phenomenal, and it's delicious. Then for your waterside breakfast dining, you have the Beachside Restaurant and Bar. Here you can sit and watch the boats coming in and out, drink your morning coffee, have your breakfast item, and just sit back and relax and enjoy. Nighthawk Breakfast Bar is the next on our list. You like mimosas? Here you're going to find bottomless mimosas in addition to a great breakfast menu. The hidden gem in Marina del Rey is called the Justa Bakery. It's a deli and a bakery cafe. Their food is seasonal, but it is year-round that they are open, and again, it's a little hidden gem. Mercedes Cuban Grill is exactly what it says. It's a Cuban and Western breakfast. It too is just a few steps from the Venice Pier. Our final restaurant is called Egg Slut. Yes, you heard me, Egg Slut. There's 2 or 3 of those around LA. This is a chef-driven gourmet food concept, and it's basically all about eggs. So when you're in the marina looking for a house, which I can help you find one, you'll need to visit one of these great breakfast restaurants to find out for yourself how good they are.